everyone, welcome back to the Auto Show. Today, meet the 2025 Ram Motorhome, where rugged utility meets refined comfort. Whether you're chasing sunsets or living the van life full-time, this beast is built to bring luxury and power on the open road. Under the hood, you've got a 6.4-liter V8 HEMI engine that delivers a solid 410 horsepower, more than enough muscle to handle steep grades, towing, and long hauls. Paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, the ride is smooth and responsive, even fully loaded. Up front, the cockpit is smart and streamlined. A 12-inch infotainment system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and the digital cluster keeps vital stats front and center. Adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist make highway driving a breeze. But it's what's inside that truly makes the 2025 Ram Motorhome shine. The interior layout is versatile and roomy, with high-end finishes like real wood trim, LED ambient lighting, and ultra-comfy seating that converts to sleeping space. You've got a full kitchenette with an induction cooktop, convection microwave, and a residential-style fridge. Storage is abundant, with cleverly hidden compartments throughout. And yes, it has a full bathroom. No more campground runs at midnight. Off-grid? No problem. With roof-mounted solar panels, a lithium-ion battery system, and a 3,000-watt inverter, you're self-sufficient wherever you roam. The 2025 Ram Motorhome is more than just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle upgrade. Bold, smart, and built for adventure. Ready to roll.